Hi guys, this is Skilltech4. Hope you liked our last basketball video. There will be more basketball videos coming on. And today we are going to see how an engine works and some basic facts about an engine. So let's go. So guys, let's see the parts of engine. This is camshaft. This controls valves. And this is valve spring. When the cam touches it, it recoils to open or close the valve. This is cam, as you can see. It is on both sides. When the camshaft rotates, the cam also rotates, and in the rotation it touches the valve spring, thereby opening or closing the valve. And this is intake valve. This controls the flow of air, fuel mixture, and this is exhaust valve. It controls the exhaust. This is the combustion chamber. The combustion happens here. This is cooling water. This prevents engine from melting by reducing the temperature. This is connecting rod. This connects piston to the crankshaft. This is crankshaft. All the pistons of the engine are connected to this. This converts the linear energy of the piston to rotational energy. This transfers this energy to the wheel also, and it also runs the camshaft. This is piston. It takes the energy of the combustion and moves down. This is cylinder block. The piston is kept in this. This top part of the engine is called cylinder head. It holds the valves and the spark plug, etc. This is spark plug. It ignites air fuel mixture which leads the combustion and is basically made of bakelite or ceramics to withstand heat. This is crankcase. It holds the crankshaft. Now let's see how the engine works. This is the intake stroke. The air fuel mixture comes from here when the valves get open due to the rotation of the cam. The piston also sucks the air fuel mixture when it moves down. Intake stroke finishes when the piston reaches down to the cylinder block. See, this cam is not touching it, just going after touching. So it is closed. The valve is closed now. So there will be no air going from here. The intake stroke completes when the piston reaches there. Now let's see next stroke. After the piston completes the intake stroke, then the piston goes up this time. Both the valves are closed because no cam is touching valve spring. So due to the pressure created by the piston, the air fuel mixture gets heated. There is no way for escape for it. The compression stroke finishes when the piston reaches here. Now let's see how the combustion stroke works. As the name suggests, in the process combustion happens. It is one of the main sequence in the working of the engine. The compressed air fuel mixture is now tremendously hot. Even a small spark could explode it. So the spark plugs ignite it, and due to the pressure of explosion, the piston moves down. This also moves the crankshaft, and where energy is used to move the pistons which are not in combustion, so four pistons can run the engine in sequence. It means if one engine gets the force of combustion, the other moves up due to the shape of the crankshaft. So each piston helps the other piston to run. This is the exhaust stroke. So after the combustion, non-combustible materials is left out in the combustion chamber. So it has to be removed this time. Piston moves up, it pushes the non-combustible materials this time. The exhaust valve is open due to the rotation of cam. So the non-combustible materials go out from this pipe. Because they sit in the crankshaft in the V shape, and the number indicates the number of pistons. Pouring petrol in diesel engine will cause damage to the fuel injector and may cause serious damage to the engine by uncontrolled detonation of petrol. If diesel is poured in the petrol engine, then the diesel simply will not get burned and get clogged in the spark plug and valves of the engine.
If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And stay tuned for more videos on Skill Tech Pro.